growth and development under your able guidance. On behalf of the Holy Cross Health Center family and all those who are present here, I extend a warm welcome to you, sir.
Sardars, members, family members of the Holy Cross communities, doctors, nurses, and my dear friends. In this district in particular, and in the state and the country in general, they have touched across the length and breadth.
With compassion, dignity and love, especially for the poor and underprivileged. It has been a place where those with little needs find not just medical help, but human warmth.
Great pleasure for me to be a part of this inauguration of this new block of the Holy Cross Health Center here at Mairang. So I will cut to everyone. I am to express here my very special thanks to Dr. Anand, whom I used to consider him as my very tall leader. I know him for long time now, and he's a saving. 35 or 40 years plus, I know Dr. Anand, the Chief Medical Officer of the Nazareth Hospital. And I don't know only him as a person, but I know his heart in rendering services to the community. I am very happy and very delighted, Doctor, to have met you today. I mean, to be a part of this inauguration of this program in this hospital. As we all used to hear, there's always a phrase which goes like this. They always ask people who talks a lot, because when it comes to delivery, it's very poor. Very poor. So we used to ask them, a very simple phrase, please walk the talk. But here today I would like to say that we have to talk a lot about what has been walked by those who are a part of the Holy Cross Hospital.
The Almighty for His abundant blessings, guidance, and protection that have brought us to this day.